Hey there, you're watching Alexa, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an update for my project pan. We are halfway through the year. Oh my god. First I'm going to start with skincare, then I'm going to move on to beauty, and everything is going to have timestamps, so I will link them all down below, and let's get to it. Paula's Choice Pore Minimizer Cleanser. I have used this twice a day whenever I've worn makeup. Even when I haven't worn makeup, I've used it once a day. I feel like I am seeing some progress here. Pixi exfoliator. Now this I've used maybe 4 or 5 times this month. There wasn't that much to begin with. I was maybe down here, so I think I have a couple of uses left. I can't see inside the bottle, but it feels pretty hollow. Next I have my P50W from Biologique Recherche, the lotion that everybody loves. And this is coming along really nicely. I remember being above the 250 milliliter mark before, and now I'm below it. I'm showing good progress. I have been using this diligently twice a day when I can, and hoping that it will alleviate some of the congestion in my pores on my cheeks, but not entirely convinced. It definitely does help improve the texture of your skin though, so if you're looking for an awesome toner, highly recommend. Ew, why is there hair stuck on my face? Resist BHA 9, and this I finished and it's done. Chuck that. Finally, moving on to my serum. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and this was brand spanking new when I started it, or maybe only a few uses in. Now I'm up to here, if you can see. I've actually started using the Ordinary serum with 1% zinc, but I'm using both of the serums at the same time, so I'm not gonna let that affect Project Pan. Next we have the Nutritious Vitality 8 cream from Estee Lauder, and this was brand spanking new when I started it, and I've made a really nice dent in this one. I'm addicted to the smell. It feels really nice on the skin. It definitely hydrates you very well. And I think part of the reason why I'm getting through skincare very well is I'm trying to remember to bring it down my neck and to the back of my hands. I'm not quite there yet, but definitely bring your skincare down your neck and to the back of your hands, because that is where you show the first signs of aging. Apparently your ears too. Ears. I never put... Actually, I do wear toner on my ears. Does anyone else like spread their toner on their ear? I know it's weird, but like... Following that, I have the Aven Smoothing Emulsion. Again, I've explained this before, but I can't see what's in here. And this is the one I've been using more diligently as a daily moisturizer. So I have not been using the Olay one very much. I've used this maybe 3-4 times. There's really not that much progress. And in this one, I can't show them. One day the pump is gonna stop pumping, and that's when I'm gonna know. Then I have the Biotherm Biosource Balm-to-oil here, and I think I've done a pretty nice number on this one. I'm gonna continue to use it, and it definitely takes off my makeup very well. I actually find grabbing just a little bit really helps break down my makeup. And then when I go in with my cleanser, I go in without rinsing this off, and I just go in with more cleanser, no water, really work that in, and then rinse, and then I'll cleanse again. So that's how I'm getting through my cleanser. I'm triple cleansing. Then I have the Pixi eye brightener, and it's getting there. I mean, sometimes I forget to use it, so, but I've used it at least 10 times this month, for sure. All right, we're on to beauty now. I'm gonna go on to fragrance, because I did such a good job with this, guys. This is almost done. I have maybe 2-3 uses of this left. The foundations this month have been the It CC cream and the Estee Lauder Double Wear Makeup to Go 3-in-1. Oh my god, why do I always forget? Anyways, it says 3-in-1, not 3-in-1. Oh, it's a play on words. Okay, I'm in the shade Ivory Beige, not 3-in-1. Oh my god. Okay, this is a major blonde moment for a person who is not blonde. Anyways, okay, so admittedly, I have not been wearing as much makeup as I normally do, because this month I was helping my boyfriend move. So I really only wore makeup when I was going out, if I felt like it. I've maybe used this once this month, and in June rather. And then this I've maybe used like 5 to 7 times. So I've been pretty bad. I have used the Pure Mineral 4-in-1 a few times. This is in the shade Golden Medium, not 4-in-1. But yeah, I mean, again, powders are so hard to make a dent in. It looks like there's a lot more pan in this one, girl. The Makeup Forever HD pressed powder, translucent, obviously. That is coming along real well because I'm trying not to look oily. And I have been using that Makeup Forever Duo sculpting powder thing, but I really only use the gold one to highlight the bronzy shade. I don't know what's wrong with my speech today, but admittedly the Revlon Photo Ready Prime Concealer Thingamabdoodad, I have not been using this very much because I was reviewing and trying out the new CoverGirl concealer and the L'Oreal concealer. So they both look like the Tarte Shape Tape, and I did a video comparing them. If you didn't see it, I'll link it in the cards and in the description down below. But I've been using those concealers, specifically the L'Oreal one, because it's pretty awesome. So I've just kind of gotten distracted from this and I need to get back on track, back at it. When I was looking at the takeaways, it looked like I did some decent progress on the NARS blush in Madly. This is going to happen. It's going to be this year. This is the year I'm going to pan a blush. Not like how I tell myself this is the year I'm going to get abs and it never happens, and now I'm like, I don't even want abs. I have not been wearing the Estee Lauder Rebellious Rose lipstick. I mean, I wore it 2-3 times this month and I have not made a dent in this. I think it bothers me that when I put it on, it slants to the side. So if anyone has a solution for how to repair a broken lipstick or a shifting lipstick, let me know. And then of course we have my palette of choice, Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I have not used this that much, but every time I have used it, I have really enjoyed it. I did a collaboration with a few girls on Instagram for Pride Month, and we did the colors of the rainbow. We each chose a color and did makeup looks, and I used this palette for it in combination with another orangey eyeshadow. And overall, I just feel so much happier when I whip out this palette as opposed to the 2 naked palettes that I was using for Project Pan. Don't forget to like and comment. That has been my Project Pan update for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how your Project Pan is going, if there are any products that you finished up or rediscovered in your stash. I look forward to seeing you in my next video on Tuesday, which is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, where I talk about other things apart from makeup while I'm applying makeup for a change. Bye guys.